some of that jambalaya, gumbo, roaches, man, we got some whole bars for you just as well.
Louisiana style.
All the style, man.
Hey, okay.
Number 302.
Okay.
Big Ohms bring New Orleans to Florida. YellowGreen Marketplace, Hollywood, Florida.
Right beside this place and this place. New Orleans style, they go to Saints.
Go Saints, who that?
Don't know me, I think different.
I ain't playing with you.
Yeah, we're there at the farmer's market. I go inside.
I know everybody I go like we.
Look on the pear tree.
Iris, come in all of life. In a dancer style. I know everybody I go like. Still the Iris, come in a love life. No, every time I ride,
Yeah,
we
with
do it
my
for the
mom.
love and I do it for the life.
My niece. Mom thinks so young, that's so young.
Success don't come overnight. To make them know a substance over hype. Do it for the love, and I do it for the life.
To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Coconut. All right, brother. Now, who is this lovely lady? No like that. Me no like that. That's safety first, you know. Oh, right here, Neesbury. Whoa. There we go. He's all right.
You find some good one?
Oh, okay. Yeah, the place bustling and busy out here. Some nice ripe plant. Let me see how much are they. Okay, 5 for $3. 2. Take this one. Get some green ones. Bunch of watermelon, some pineapple. 2 for $5. Oh, $3 each. 2 for $5. Yeah, honey and salt. More jade salt. Himalayan salt. What kind of salt? Hawaiian salt. Flavoring, seasonings. Uh-oh. Why do they do that? Ooh. Wow. Okay. Uh-oh, he found a girlfriend. Sorry.
special delivery. You know, say our people loving long time. Look at our people.
So this the pitney and them some of this. Tell us about what's going on here then.
Hi everyone, my name is Sayblee. I am the inventor of this vegan hair growth product.
Where you from?
I am from Liberia,
Well,
West Africa.
Liberia is an African nation in West Africa, bordered by Sierra Leone, Guinea, and the Ivory Coast / Cote d'Ivoire. With a population of over 4.5 million people, the cities of Liberia are considered to be some of the cleanest in all of Africa.
But I live here in Miami, Florida, and my business is here in Hollywood, the YellowGreen Farmers Market. My booth number is 293. You can come here anytime. This vegan hair product is designed to keep your hair healthy. Whether you're on medication, whether your hair is shedding, it will stop your hair shedding. It will make your hair grow even if you have total hair loss. You're looking for something clean for your hair, no chemical. Let us keep your hair healthy with safe plant-based product.
Introduce us to some of your products.
So here is the actual hair growth treatment that actually makes the hair to grow. So this here is the 4-ounce jar. Actually use this treatment once a week, or you can use it every other week or once a month. The application is easy. You just don't have to use it all the time or every day. And then we have the shampoo, the lime nourishing shampoo for those that have like the hair dry and they're really looking for product to make their hair moist. Even though they want their hair clean, they don't want the product to dry their hair. This would be a very good shampoo for them. It detangles the hair in the process. Have the condition that infuse intense moisture, so it also detangles the hair. And then we have the lime nourishing oil. This is a lot of people's favorite. If you're looking to even flat iron your hair, or if you have locks and you want to keep your scalp clean, fresh, and shiny all the time, and healthy at the same time, the lime nourishing oil is fantastic. And then we have the leave-in conditioner here, which is infused with a lot of vitamin D. Sometimes when you lack vitamin D, your hair tends to break easily, sheds a lot. So this product is designed to actually infuse the vitamin D that is designed to strengthen your hair and to infuse that in your hair. We have the rosemary oil, fantastic for to keep your scalp soothed if you have dandruff or you have itchy scalp and you want your scalp to stay soothing and not irritated constantly. The rosemary oil is fantastic. This little pot here reminds me of when I used to actually match all the product up with my hands before I make them. So I have this little pot just to remind me of my humble beginning. So this right here was one of my defining movement in my or humble beginning in my salon. I personally, I'm a cosmetology and also a trichologist. And a trichologist is a person who is the hair and scalp scientist. I used to have a salon and a treatment center. And of course, I'm not a photographer, so I was trying to keep record of the clients. And this guy here, that was his hair back then. And we started to put the treatment on his hair every 2 weeks. And then it started to grow his hair. Like you can see here, this is all his hair. Here, he stops here, and we didn't see him again. He had other personal circumstances. This also, she was using a treatment at that time, every 2 weeks. Not much application. You don't have to use it every single day. And this is her result. They used to come to my salon. But also you have to know that you don't have to come to a treatment center to get it done. You can actually do it for yourself at home which I recommend the most. So I'm here at my booth, the YellowGreen Farmers Market, booth 293. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.
I know everybody I got like we still we hybrid. Come in all of
All right, I finally caught up to her. She been disappearing on her brother.
Right here.
That's my mom.
She's been sitting right here for a while too.
Yeah, I told her to wait.
She's been patiently waiting. All right. Yeah, I'm Dennis at the YellowGreen Farmers Market. I have like famous designer perfume body oils. They're all natural oils, no alcohols, no chemicals. I do vegan skincare that I make myself. So I carry like Vince Camuto. They are pure oils. That's Vince Camuto for ladies. I carry men's fragrances also. I actually carry like over 3,000 different choices. That's vintage night for men. Like I said, they're all pure oils. No alcohols, no chemicals, no parabens. Come see me. I'm in booth 322 right here. I also do like sun protection, vegan skincare.
Tell us about that.
This is my armor butter, okay? I call it armor butter like putting on a coat of armor. I use a base of shea butter and I add a bunch of different like herbal oils, extracts, seed oils, fruit oils, and nut oils. This is even good for salt water. It stays on your skin in salt water. So the armor butter is 100% natural, all natural herbs, fruit oils, seed oils, nut oils. And like I said, it stays on even in salt water. This is my can't scratch your ass kit. You know how sometimes we all get dry skin? What this is my herbal moisturizer, and this is my herbal lotion. Shea butter, that's the herbal moisturizer. This is my Shea Butter Plus, where I have also a lot of different extracts, fruit oils, seed oils, nut oils. When you put this on first, follow it with this, I guarantee you will not get ashy all day until you wash it off. It stays on your skin. 100% natural. Can't scratch your ass.
Wait. You got what you got here?
Yeah, that's my, I make what I call pest off. So it's a mosquito repellent, but also keeps those biting no-see-ums off of you. As a matter of fact, I've had two individual clients, 2 individual times take this to Africa. And they said it worked perfectly, even in Africa.
And that's perfect because guess what? My channel is catered to people going to Africa.
Oh, really? Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's 100% plant derived. It's only essential oils. That's it.
Okay.
And it kind of like, it puts a barrier around your body so that they don't even detect you. They don't come to bite.
That's right.
And also,
right? The DEET.
Well, it's no DEET. Yeah, it's DEET free. No DEET in it.
Oh, no.
Because DEET is a very harmful, nasty chemical, man.
Yeah?
Oh, it is, man. It's linked to diabetes, cancer, childhood illnesses. The list goes on and on.
Oh, so
no,
they
this
have
is
to
all
be
essential
careful.
oils.
Okay.
Yeah, all essential oils. 100% pure, man.
All right. Show us a little bit more what's going on. Yes.
Yes. Thank you, my man. Appreciate it. Thank you.
That's where we are. I'll catch up with you in a second. All the way straight now.
Now this, gotta introduce everybody to this. This is called Diatomaceous Earth. It's a nutritional supplement that helps to detoxify your entire body, and it works. High blood pressure, high cholesterol, achy joints, skin issues, psoriasis, eczema, contact dermatitis. What this does, it removes toxins, bacteria, fungus, microviruses, parasites from your body. Blood, liver, lungs, kidneys, digestive system, even your colon. It has no taste, it has no smell. It's double certified organic by the FDA as well as the Organic Material Review Institute. You can put it in absolutely anything. Water, tea, juice, coffee, oatmeal, applesauce, smoothies, yogurt. Doesn't matter what you put it in. Biggest thing about this, no taste, no smell, no negative side effects, and it works. It really does work. So you guys come to see me and check it out. Okay?
Do you have a website or something?
The website is is down right now because I'm rebuilding it, but it's veganskinI'min.com.
What about any Instagram, Facebook?
I'm on Instagram, vegan _ sun protection. Den Essentials.
Yeah, perfect.
Den Essentials.
All right.
So come through, look me up. I also carry 100% natural soaps, no phthalates, no sodium lauryl sulfate, no sulfites, nothing like that. This is my premium black soap, African black soap. There's a few different types of black soaps, but to me, this is the one that you really want because it contains honey, vitamin A, vitamin E, and iron. So it's super good for your skin, super good even if you're washing your hair, okay? Then this is papaya green tea, lemongrass, ylang. These are some of the most popular ones. There's a moringa soap, black seed jojoba, oatmeal aloe, honey, green tea, vitamin E. And this one has really been coming on strong. This is my charcoal soap, activated charcoal soap.
Charcoal.
Yeah, it works phenomenally well, man. So this is what I do. I do other skincare and stuff like that.
Dulce? Yes. Muy dulce?
Muy dulce.
Muy.
Con azúcar.
Ajá. Muy dulce piña. Okay. Final.
Very funny, very funny. Hi, everybody. Love you all. Love. That's the word we use around here.
Hello to Africa.
Hello, Africa. Motherland.
What's up with Jamaica and the Caribbean?
What's up, Jamaica, Caribbean? I'll be there in August.
Okay. Well, big things are going on August.
Yes, 40% thing.
That's where the tri-rail run. That's the track.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so people are still coming in this place, like say, this place is going out of style.
I don't want no company so I can do what I want. I don't have to be looking for anybody.
So she won't come out to buy if you ask her. You hear this or no? People?
I can do it. I go places by myself all the time.
What? You know? So nobody there to protect you?
I don't need nobody to protect me. I have the Holy Spirit.
What? You know? Tell them about it. You made my day. I mean, now I feel relieved and I know I'm doing the right thing. And I thank you so much for all the support.
Don't know me, I think different already.